Today we're exploring the American classic. The one food that you can find in every single diner, every single restaurant. The one and only hot dog. No, the hamburger. The one and only hamburger, everybody. This guy's a classic and you know it. Everybody's tried one. And not everyone knows how to make one. That's what I'm here for. I'm going to teach you how to make the simple smash burger. So let's get down to cooking, everybody. So to start out, I made some ground beef balls. This was about 2.5 ounces each, so pretty small. And I had 80% lean, 20% fat ground beef. And that's kind of what you're looking for. I mean, you don't want less than that. They have to be somewhat fatty, everybody. I mean, if you don't want 85-15, you don't want 93-7, which would taste terrible. The seasoning is incredibly simple. So first I salted all of them, very little salt. These are very small. You're going to make them very thin. Then I hit these bad boys with some freshly ground black pepper. You really want to make sure that it's freshly ground. You do not want pre-grounded. You do not want it to be dried. It tastes way better freshly grounded, everybody. Let's not go cheapo mode here, okay? So these guys are now ready for the grill. I'm doing it outside for the same reason I did with the steak. It's just impractical. Super smoky. You're gonna have to open all the windows. And the entire family is going to start screaming and stuff. You know, they're not going to scream. They're going to be annoyed, though. And it just makes more sense to do it outside. And I just heated the cast iron skillet with some olive oil. Now it's time to grill one of these bad boys. So I just put one of them down and I smashed it. You could use 2 spatulas or something. Make sure it's metal. You want to use something big. Come on, get off. Come on. Yep, come on. Yeah. Cooking these guys for about 30 seconds to a minute. I like mine well done, so I do a minute. And I salted them very lightly. Very lightly, everybody. Then I flipped these guys. I did it for a minute because I like it well done. You would do it for 30 seconds if you want a medium rare, and about 40 seconds if you want a medium, and cook it for an additional, same amount of time. Then I hit with these guys with some cheese, and here's a bonus, everybody. And there you go, a beautiful burger. Put some tomatoes, some lettuce, grilled onions. I prefer grilled. Pickles maybe if you're feeling fancy. If you're wondering where I got the buns, I actually made them myself. The recipe will be coming up the next time I make burgers. They're incredible. They're not my recipe, but they're so good that I really think you guys deserve it. They're a little bit on the sweet side, just a teeny bit sweet. You have a really soft, airy. It's beautiful, everybody. And if you're wondering where I got my ground beef, I also grounded that myself. I have the KitchenAid attachment, and I think it really improves the texture. If you're grinding it yourself, which I know you probably won't, I would recommend buying a grinder attachment for the KitchenAid mixer. Or if you don't have a KitchenAid mixer, just get a normal grinder. They're under $100 and pretty useful. And if you do ground, make sure that you do it on the same day they're making burgers. Really improves the flavor. And I'll see you next time, everybody.